Hey guys, so here we have the Orcatorch D550. This is a max 1000 lumens light. This is the upgraded version. Here you can see all the details and features on the side. 5 hours, 45 minutes max runtime, 253 meter distance, 150 meter waterproof, and 1 meter drop impact resistant. So here's a look at the box. And let's take a look inside. Okay, so here the first thing you could see that they upgraded was the 3400 milliamp hour batteries. These are two 18650 batteries, and here's a look at the old battery that they used to supply. They were only 2600 milliamp hour, so you'd probably get around 3/4 of the runtime. Here's a look here at the hand strap. You'll see that in the underwater portion of the review here. And here's just a typical lanyard. They give you both options, which is nice. It's just a good typical lanyard. And here's the charger. Let's just show you here, everything fits in there nice and snug. It's got a LED light indicator on it also. Here you have the warranty information. You get a 1-year warranty on all the dive lights, so just make sure you take time to fill that out. And of course, here's the manual. You just want to make sure you read through everything here before you take the light down. Tells you all the features there, run times for each mode, and of course Orcatorch gives you an Orca sticker. And they also provide you with 3 spare O-rings, which is nice. I'll show you where those go in a second. And here's a look at the light. So it's nice design, nice glass bezel, magnetic tail switch there. And as you can see, there's the 2 different modes, high, low, and there's also strobe mode as well. I think in low mode and strobe mode, those both will last around 5 hours. And there's a look at the D520, which we also reviewed. So just for side-by-side comparison, you can see the size difference. The head and the bezel on the 550 is a little bigger. The D520 is a little smaller, obviously. There you can see it's activated by the tail switch, just buttons. And here you need 2 hands to twist the D520. And as you can see, the D550 has a much wider beam. I think that one's around 72 degrees, and the 520 is at 70 degrees. And here's the old version of the D550. It was only around 970 lumens. It's hard to tell, but the new one is brighter. And so there's just a side-by-side comparison. The biggest difference here that you'll see, I'm going to open this up and we'll show you. The biggest difference between the old version and the upgraded version is what they did to the inside of the light here. And so what they did was add this brass, pretty much this brass cylinder, which helps with conductivity, helps the batteries last longer, which is a big improvement. If you see in the underwater kinetics lights, they'll put some of those in there, like the SL3 UK light. They have something similar, but I think it's just plastic. There you can see the good gold contacts, which is typical with these Orcatorch lights. And here, let's pop open the old version. And so you can see good gold contacts there, but the new ones are a little nicer. And here, I'm not sure what they used. Maybe it was aluminum or tin. I'm not too sure, but this new light will have improved conductivity. Let's take these underwater. Okay, so here you can see the D550. You can see the center beam, nice and strong. Everything's nice and even also. I'm about 5 feet away from this crab in this piling here. nice wide beam, and this is during a real sunny day and shallow conditions also. Maybe about 25 feet deep. So you can see it there, everything's nice and even. Also super bright. Now this is on high mode right now. This is on the brightest setting. So you can see there's a good look at the beam there and the overall. Now let's look at the D520. Since we also reviewed that one, just for comparison, so you guys can see. You can see the difference between the two beams. The D520 is much narrower, but it's also much narrower, but it's also more, I guess, even. As you can see there, the D550, that center beam is much brighter. The D520 you can see there. Okay, so here's just kind of a side-by-side. And this footage here was shot with the Paralenz camera, so you guys could see water temperature, you could see the depth. And those are great cameras as well. There's just a good still of those two. Okay, so now we can see here we're a little deeper, 1 degree colder. This is on another dive. We're just doing the comparison. We have the D520 on the left side and the D550 on the right. And here's another look at some critters underwater here. You can see this is super bright. We're only in 20 feet right here, no obstructions overhead, and it's a real sunny day and great visibility too. So for the light to be casting out that bright is huge. It's a very bright light and shines nice and wide too. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you later.